Are you looking for the best slide hammers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best slide hammers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, ABCN Auto Slide Hammer Set. This ABCN Auto Slide Hammer Set deserves this position in every manner thanks to the presence of a 9-piece set. It is a practical hammer set that can perform a variety of tasks ranging from removing dents to many other surfaces. This hammer set is manufactured using forged hardened steel for better pulling strength and long-lasting effects. You will get this unit with a variety of accessories for a better experience. At number 4, Neko O2236A Automotive Slide Hammer Puller. Many people prefer shopping for a slide hammer set with high capacity. The Neko O2236A is an incredible slide hammer puller using which you can eliminate press-fit parts like pulleys, bushings, etc. It is a 5-pound slide hammer made using chrome vanadium steel for additional durability. This package delivers with a great set of accessories like internal 3-jaw puller, external 3-way puller, and both external and internal 2-way puller. At number 3, 8 Mile Lake Slide Hammer. The fourth position we want to mention in the article is this beautifully designed slide hammer that fits adequately with most of the vehicles. It has 2- and 3-way crossblocks giving perfect configuration to the system. This package includes a variety of accessories like puller head, crossblock, slide hammer, puller jaw, and pulling adapter. It is one of the best slide hammers that you can buy at a very affordable price for enjoying perfect value for the money. This nice slide hammer set can give a great sort of combination for letting the users pull gears and seals in the bearing. At number 2, Gearwrench 10-way Slide Hammer Set. This multi-purpose hammer set is an incredible candidate for performing a great range of activities. The Gearwrench brand has done a very fine job by crafting the unit in a heavy-duty style for making sure the users can enjoy a wonderful performance. You can adequately use this unit for a great number of pull activities without facing any problem. On top of that, there is no chance of any issue while using this unit for press-fit parts, oil seals, etc. At number 1, Extreme Power US Slide Hammer Set. The list is going to begin with an incredible hammer set that can offer highly reliable performance to the users. It is a classic 13 pounds kit that crafted using carbon steel material and oxidized properly for dealing with rust and corrosion. This complete package comes with a variety of accessories that range from steel shaft to dent puller and even puller assortment. All these accessories are delivered with a portable plastic case for making sure one can easily roam with this kit. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.